guys, happy Friday. We're gonna get this weekend of my life started. What better way to do it than with a little haul? I'm sure that's what everyone was thinking on here as well. I have so many great pieces that have come in for gifting and PR, so I was starting to open some of the items and I figured I would share it with you because a lot of these items are spring, they are fresh, they are linkable, and I figured you guys would love them. And this is from clothes across the board, like skincare, everything in between. So the first place is Boden, and I'm so excited about this. I got to pick out an outfit. You guys know I love Boden, and I feel like recently everything that they put out is so fabulous. It's giving Veronica Beard, it's just giving elevated. So I was thrilled to pick out this little set. A matching, look how cute this is. It's gonna just be perfect for spring. I have a trip coming up over Memorial Day weekend, so I'm planning on wearing it there. It's a jacket, which would even work with jeans right now, and like a little white t-shirt. And then it comes with some matching shorts. I love a shorts set. You can even wear this with heels. And I think it's such a chic look. So very excited to style this, to wear that from Boden. If you guys know, we love the BaubleBar recently. Well, we love BaubleBar, but everyone in my family for spring has been wearing the big like bubble necklaces, the beaded bubble necklaces that come in a million different colors. So this is very exciting. I forget what I picked out. That sometimes happens. Oh, cute. These are just like a really nice everyday earring. This would also make for a wonderful gift for like a girlfriend, or if you have anything coming up. They are just these gold plated sterling silver earrings. And like I said, perfect for every day. They look really lightweight. I also love the bags that everything comes in when you order from BaubleBar. Pretty little box. Oh yes, these really pretty bracelets. Again, just like everyday pieces. I think there are a set of 3. What else do we have? And this was something that I feel like I've been seeing a lot more. Evil eye pieces have been everywhere. So just for something fun, I figured I would wear it this summer. A little bracelet. I love the navy beads. And then I got the coordinating necklace to go with it. I just thought it would be super cool, kind of different. I don't own anything like it. And it was like this very chic little rope necklace. So I thought that was just super fun. Those were the next couple items from BaubleBar. This packaging is so gorgeous. This is from a brand called Shop Rodela. They wrote a lovely little note. Box, I love the thoughtfulness when it comes to brands packaging. I feel like it just elevates the whole experience. And I also can't remember what I picked out. Let's see. Kind of makes it a little surprise. Oh, pretty. Okay, super. Again, a little outside the box. I do remember this. A little necklace, an acrylic tusk, which is so cool. This is gonna be fabulous for the summer. I'm so excited for this. I will link Shop Rodela down below because I feel like I'm always looking for new places to get things for gifts or to share with you guys for gifts, and this would be a really great one because it comes so nicely packaged. I did raise you up a bit so I'm not crouching during this entire haul. Next, I have some items from Fort. I'm actually wearing this black cardigan that's from Fort. They have been doing a lot of gifting recently, and it was a newer brand to me. I was probably introduced to them like in the winter, and they just had the best basics. Really great price points. I have this cardigan in probably, I think, 4 or 5 colors at this point. This is what I live in during the week. I have like a little cardigan on, jeans, and today I'm wearing my ballet flats. It's just very simple, and especially if you go into the office, I think these cardigans are like $40-something. They wash really well. I can't say enough good things. We've also gotten some really great like vegan leather bomber jackets from Fort. Just like really good layering basic pieces that are sometimes overlooked with shopping, but when you have them, you're happy that you're pulling them out. So I do think they're kind of expanding into some like fun other pieces. So I'm excited to try this set that they sent through. It'll definitely have to warm up a bit more, but it's like a sweater material, a little skirt, which is so sweet with these 2 front pockets piped in black, and then a matching top. And I could totally see myself wearing this with like my ballet flats on that I have right now. Cute. Fun, fun, fun. So this is, I think the skirt's kind of high-waisted because this looks a little bit more cropped. But I definitely always size up in Fort, and it usually works and fits perfectly for me. So I will have that linked as well. It's very exciting. Dillards sent me some gifting, which, I mean, we have always been a Dillards fan. And I know in the past couple of years, they've really stepped up. Antonio Milani is a great collection. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, yes, it's like this little, what size is this? A 4. Okay, this looks a little big, but we'll see. Like a halter peplum top, light pink. I just love this color. Matching skirt. Well, even if the top doesn't work, look how cute the skirt is. All right, the last box is from English Factory, and they've also been doing a lot of gifting. So I picked out this lovely little white dress. So cute. This has like bows on the straps. and I thought this would be great for just summer. English Factory is also a really good price point and nice quality. This would actually be really cute for like a bride. It's just a sweet little sundress that everyone can just throw on throughout the summer and wear. 2 more dresses from English Factory. I think this whole collection was just dresses that I had to choose from. So, I mean, I always, oh, this one's fun. This kind of has like cut out in the back. I'm always just like in a sundress or something like that if we're up at our lake house, and just for like July 4th, we always need a lot of outfits. So that was my haul. That's how we're gonna get this video started. We're gonna vlog this weekend. I don't really have much going on, but that's going to sometimes be the best, because then we can just chat and get some things done. And just always love celebrating all of the moms. So I'm gonna clean up all this packaging, organize the stuff, maybe film this version for reels or something, and then I'll check back with you guys a little later. Hi guys, I opened all my PR and now I'm filming a Zara haul for Instagram reels and LTK, of course. So I just got in this adorable little puff sleeve light blue sweater, and then I have this like linen skirt on right now. So lots of really pretty spring summer pieces. We also just got these amazing pants in that have polka dots on them. Oh my gosh, polka dots are so in. This is more like a work trouser and they fit like a glove. So I am filming this and then I'll probably edit this and hopefully post it soon. But I know you guys like sometimes seeing some behind the scenes of content creation, and my parents' house has so many beautiful spaces to film in, so it's very easy. All right, little update. I'm back in my apartment. I did my Friday errands. I feel like I end up always running errands late afternoon on a Friday before I like get ready to go out or whatever. I did stop and get an iced tea at Starbucks because I have a problem. And then I got groceries. I just needed a few things for like breakfast and stuff for the weekend, and my camera died. I also went to CVS. So I am going out to dinner tonight with Elizabeth and a Miami girlfriend, which is going to be so fun. It's supposed to rain and it's like chilly and gray. I'm so over this Cleveland weather. So we need to figure out an outfit. And I also need to show you my apartment refresh at some point. I believe that'll probably end up being tomorrow in this vlog because, shocker, I'm running late. So let's go figure out what we're going to wear tonight. Oh, looks like I just got back and we're going to get our ducks in a row.
I think one of his pieces is like a non-traditional.
I don't even want to talk about how I look like right now, but happy Saturday. I am in line right now at the one and only Dunkin' because somebody, meeting me, really needs a coffee. Our evening really took a turn. It was so much fun. We went out to dinner with one of Elizabeth's friends who kind of just moved back from Chicago to Cleveland. She went to Miami. She's like in between us. And I had never met her before. So Elizabeth and her have obviously like, they work in the same building and they know each other. So she put this dinner together and I didn't think we were going to go out after. Like we were just having dinner, drinking martinis. And then I knew the night was going to take a turn because we all like had ordered our drinks. Like Elizabeth and I got our dirty martinis. I'm like, perfect, I'll just sip on this. And then out of nowhere, Elizabeth just goes, does anyone want a margarita? She just like orders 3 margaritas. So those are the best kinds of nights though, because we then ended up going to like a place across the street and it was so much fun. We probably got home at like 12:30. I was like asleep by 1, so it really wasn't that bad, but I just did not expect that. So it's like 65 and sunny today. It's gorgeous. Elizabeth and Claire are actually at her little like Mother's Day gift thing. It's this new place in Cleveland. It's called Soul Space. I'm not exactly sure what they do. It's like a wellness place. I think they have saunas and like barometric, I'm not quite sure, but it's new and it's cool and they're doing that right now, which is so cute. I feel like experiences like as a sister to like give for Mother's Day or like new moms is kind of the way to go because you know you get so much from your baby registry and then like you're always like just I feel like buying stuff, so kind of like doing things to get her out of the house and like have a day I feel like is the way to go. So Elizabeth's doing that, and then Claire has actually never done Pilates before, been on a little bit of a health journey right now, and she was like, hold on, I gotta get my coffee.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. We are at our favorite, one of our favorite brunches of the year, Mother's Day brunch. We are here at the Union Club. This is where Connor and Claire got married, and we come to the Mother's Day brunch every year here. So we are about to go upstairs, but we're gonna take some pictures because Henry has the cutest little outfit, and I am wearing this little dress with these cute shoes. We're all in pink, and we just love this morning. We love this day. We're gonna have a lovely morning and afternoon celebrating all the moms. we just got back from our lovely Mother's Day brunch. We go to the same brunch every single year. It's one of my favorite traditions. And it was so relaxing. We ran into lots of people that we knew, and they always do such a nice spread. Then we kind of took the long way home. They gave the moms like corsages, and then we got to take home the flower arrangements. It's just quite a civilized affair. And then I actually just filmed a little outfit video for Instagram Reels because I wanted to share my look and kind of talk to you guys. And then my mom opened her Mother's Day gift from Terry. So I think I'm going to head back to my apartment, and you and I are going to continue vlogging. There's just some things that I want to get done on this Sunday. But really quick, just to show you guys my full dress, because I'll probably change into comfy clothes once I get back to my apartment. So I'm wearing this adorable little dress, which is from English Factory. They gifted me a bunch of different items, and this does have pockets, which is so fun. I never wear this style of dress, but I kind of like it. And I paired it with this light pink Destry purse. This was also gifted to me, I want to say like a year and a half ago. I don't know. But I love this bag, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I don't know if this exact pink is still available, but I think it comes with like a mini version, and it also comes with a strap. So I just know I'm gonna get so much use out of it, because I feel like for some reason I didn't wear it a lot in the like last summer. No, you know what? I got it at the end of last summer, and that's why I haven't worn it a bunch, because then it was like fall. And then I have on the same shoes that I keep wearing. I wore these in, let me lower this, because this dress is nice, because it's like still kind of, it's not super short, but like, do you see what I mean? It's kind of that like little baby doll look, but still tasteful. Let me show you guys these shoes. I wore these shoes on Easter, and then I wore them again in New York City when I went to the Penny Lynn opening. And people think they're Missoni. They're not Missoni, they're from Pellamoda, and they are so chic and fun. And because there's like so many different colors and patterns, I've actually ended up wearing them a bunch. Oh, I also wore this with like a white blouse, jeans, and like the heels to like some drinks. So you should definitely get these shoes for the summer, because I've already worn them 4 or 5 times, and I've had them since Easter, so like about a month. Anywho, what a lovely day. Claire's first Mother's Day with Henry. He was so sweet. He had a really cute outfit at brunch, and then he peed, so they had to change. But I'm going to head back to my apartment, and like I said, get some work done. I want to show you guys my little apartment refresh and just like other Emily on Beau's work. So we're gonna leave the house and go do that together. Okay, friends, I am back at my apartment. It is like 3:45. I did go to Dunkin'. I've had such a Dunkin' fixation. I don't know what's going on, but I got a Dunkin' because we actually kind of have a lot that we need to do this afternoon that I want to get done. So I'm going to go back up to my apartment, change, and I think I'm going to film a little like the apartment refresh for Reels. I'll show you guys on the vlog as well. I want to go for a walk. I have lots of editing to do. Obviously need to get this vlog up, and I have some organizing. So I really want to have like a very productive afternoon/evening and then get to bed early. But I also kind of want to like get outside and get some steps in. So I just got an iced coffee with lots of almond milk, even though I had coffee at brunch, but it's kind of just like one of those kooky days. But let's go upstairs. I'm kind of freezing in this dress and get some stuff done. Okay, why are we always on the floor, you know, in this apartment? It's because my windows are flush and they have screening in front of them, so I feel like I don't have a ledge or anything to set you guys up. But I am drinking my Dunkin'. I changed into this little top and jeans because I filmed like an apartment refresh for Reels. Sometimes when I made my makeup, I just have to get things done, you know what I mean? And then I was charging my battery. I finally checked Instagram for today at 4 o'clock. I was just on my phone way too much yesterday, and sometimes I get physically nauseous when I'm on my phone like the next day. So I just stayed off of it, which was not hard because I was at brunch and with my family. So I quickly just checked some things, and then I was like, okay, I need to get off my phone. So I wanted to talk to you guys and share the little apartment refresh, and then I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm really, really loving how my apartment feels. There were months where I was like, I don't like this space, and then we did some little touch-ups and it was so much fun. We had a really lovely time at brunch. It was just quite an enjoyable morning, and Henry was so good. And yeah, I just love May in general. I do feel like May is the new December. Not new December, but December in the sense where there's so much going on, and there is graduation and Mother's Day, and people are finishing up school, and then a lot of people are going on trips. So a lot of moving parts, and there was a lot going on in Cleveland this past weekend. There was the Zach Bryan concert that Elizabeth went to. There was a playoff NBA game. There was Guardians game. That's baseball.
We got a new Navy ship commissioned here, which we actually drove home on the way back from brunch. So there's like a lot of hullabaloo in this tiny little Midwest city. It cracks me up when there's like a bunch of stuff going on and everybody's talking about the different activities. Like, I love it so much. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what I did, because it's simple, but it's fun. And sometimes that's the best. Very simple over on the coffee table. Silver tray from a Two Home. They actually gifted this to me probably 2 years ago. I use this all the time, and I always get questions like, what are some must-have items? And I know this was gifted to me, but I would buy this over 10 times, and I would give this as a gift to people if they needed a tray, or like a birthday gift. It's such a good tray. I use it for every season. It's great, especially around the holidays. But like having that touch of silver, and I don't know what it is, but the size is large enough where I always can like pile a bunch of stuff onto it. I love this tray. Okay, enough about the tray. I got these 3 vases from Target. And then these are faux flowers from Target. My vibration plate's killing the vibe, but you know, we use it. And then this is a new candle that was gifted to me from, I never know how to say it, but it smells so good. And I just love having like a candle in my living room. Okay, my little bar cart, we decided to, and by we, I work on this with my mom, you guys. So whenever I say that, it's Anna and I talking. I did a little margarita setup.